a pre-owned 2025 Tesla. This four-door SUV has a two-cylinder engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Tesla is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 123 miles per gallon in the city and 111 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.